So, hello and welcome to a new video. I tried to do this Excel challenge here, but by XLBI, but then I thought, oh, this could be super cool for a video. So I would be doing this right now with you guys together. So, what do we need to do here? We need to add characters between those words here. So, for example, between B and I, there is an C and a D. And also going down, so for example between H and I there is a G, F, I, D, C, B and A. Sorry, A, H and A, sorry, yeah. So what do I do here? So first I need the word, and so I will do this here. So W is my word, and we'll do this probably with this word here between their two E's. And we will solve this edge case then here directly. Then I will split this word with mid sequence len of W. We have splitted this here. Now I want to have the Unicode of those letters with code. Now I want to determine how much letters are between those words. Therefore I drop here the first column, the first row. This gives me this shifted. Then I make subtract here the other. So for this I'm calculating 114 minus 102. For this I calculate 104 minus 114 and so on and so on. I now need to drop the last row because there isn't a value, because you only can have the values in between those letters. And now I will map this. So here the and also C. So I think drop from C, yeah, drop from C here because I don't need the last row. And then lambda A and S between this is because this is my start. Because what I will do here is a sequence function for that many rows, in this case 11, starting from 100, and then I use the CHAR function to make these characters. And now we have all the characters between D and O, including D, but excluding O. So back to the formula, lambda AS, now sequence, I need to have the length, this is A, start is S, and now I need ABS of A because A can also be negative. And now for the step I use if A is smaller than 0, then I want -1, otherwise I want 1 because also we need to go from large to small, so stepping down, and this you can do also with the sequence function. Now we want to have the characters, close a few brackets and concat this, and we get here a few characters. So here between F and R, this is correct. Then from R to the border of E, this is correct, and so on and so on. But we have here an error, and also the last character is missing, and therefore we use here the IFERROR function. And if there is an error, and there will be an error here and also here, we input the character then. So we have here now an E and here now an M, so the last character that is missing. Now we can concat everything. And we have here a solution. We can now try this, for example, also for other words. Year tree will also work, and discover tree will also work. So you see also here, this is the same as the provided answer expected. Now let's put everything into a single formula. I will now use a let for this. So let W for word, S is the split, so mid S sequence, len of W, so mid of W, sorry, 1 here. Then I think the drop I will, so C is the code of S. Now I think the drop I will copy in here. This is the drop from code, and this formula I will also copy in there. So here we have the C and S. Close the bracket, and we have everything in a single formula, which you can now try to use also for different words. So for example here and here and here, and what you will now see is if the length is smaller than or smaller than 3, then it will produce an error between. For this it will work, but not for the first thing, and therefore I will do a little workaround. So input here L is then len of W. You can use it also here. And now if we do this in the if error, because the if error is causing this problem, and I will show you why. I think I will show you why. So here for this we have BCE, and with the if error we have then. So concat this. Yeah, this is right here. No, I think I need this. This is concatenated here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and then we have also an if error here, and then we have as the value from error we have an v-stack of e, and or we can also use the s here s, and therefore there's 2 times those characters, because s is this, but why is this an s? Yeah, because S is B and E, and these are the characters in between. I don't know why it's a little bit confusing why this is causing this error, but we can use here this workaround. So if L is smaller than 3, then we want to have nothing, otherwise we want to have S. And then also an AND if, so we can add this here, and if is L equals 2, then we want to have right of W, otherwise we want to have nothing. And we now have also this for the first answer. It was a little bit kind of cheating, but yeah. Now the answer is as expected, and we now use another map function to have everything in a single formula. Lambda W, erase the W in here, close all the brackets, and we have a solution. Yeah. So thank you for attention. I hope you like this challenge. Sorry for the confusion about the if error statement, and also feel free to add a comment, give a like, subscribe, or watch other videos on this channel. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.